Let's meet our all-star duo. From our A division, we have the #1 seeded team, the powerhouse duo of TOC reigning champ, the one and only Antonia Lafaso and Alex Guarnaschelli.
You tell me, Chef Alex.
Are we ready?
Are you ready?
They'll be up against restaurateur Krista Ludke and Food Network star Artie Sequeira.
Can you believe this?
Both of them have won Guys Grocery Games, but Krista has yet to get a win in the TOC arena.
Oh my gosh! Look at the tinsel.
And Artie, well, she's a TOC first-timer, which is why they are seeded #4.
This is the team that everyone feared, right? And we get them, round 1. I mean, you got to get through them anyway, so we might as well get it over with.
Well,
Rip
just
off the Band-Aid.
Imagine how everyone's gonna feel when we beat them.
Right.
Then
They're
they'll
gonna
be
like,
scared.
Teams, are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Let's take it to the randomizer right this way. Without further ado, in the big finale tonight, here we go.
Come on. Here we go.
Chicken, thigh, pork,
No.
chicken,
No.
whole chicken,
No.
navel oranges, toaster, peppery, and chestnuts.
I think I don't like it.
35 minutes on the clock to make this savory dish and this sweet dish. I'm now gonna give you 2 minutes before I start the clock and let you confer together as a team, and your clock starts now. Good luck.
What are you doing?
All right, so I'm gonna do fried chicken, mashed potato.
Our whole plan has just been like, you do desserts and I do savory.
Then I'm making orange ice cream.
Okay.
I'm thinking I'm gonna do little mini bundt cakes.
Okay, so you do
orange
sweet.
zest in. Yes, I'm gonna go sweet all the way. If you're good with that.
Yeah, great.
Okay.
I mean, I haven't had a TOC win yet in this arena, but it's gonna be a Christmas miracle. We are bringing home the win, right?
I love it.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Got a good game plan?
I'm doing a schnitzel with like a peppercorn milk gravy with cardamom. And I'm doing a sweet potato puree. Chestnuts are going in this puree, and I'll actually try to put some in the dredge as well.
Got it.
I can put orange zest in the cake. I can put my chestnuts in the cake. Like, so cake to me is like instantly where I go, like little beautiful bundt cakes. They look like wreaths, and now I just have to execute it. Pastry, like, is something that I tend to shy away from. Like, I don't want to measure things. But I've been like honing and practicing.
Yeah, you
and
have.
you've been getting my photos of my late night baked treats. My wife is very happy. She's like, please promise that you will keep baking after this competition. Watch out, everybody.
What's the preparation on the chicken, chef?
Fried chicken, mashed potatoes, chestnut gravy.
I'm gonna make an orange ice cream sandwich.
Thank you.
I started making the ice cream base, basically a neutral vanilla base, and I added a ton of orange zest.
I was like, oh, the sweet potatoes. Maybe I just need to nix it. No way they'll get cooked. Okay, Krista has them and they're in the food processor. Okay, it was like you were in my head.
Yeah.
Well, and I can't believe you did all of that and then you baked a freaking bundt cake.
There it is. When the chicken floats, it's ready.
What are we doing with potato, chef? That's the mash?
That's my mashed.
I'm really wanting to make Robuchon potatoes.
Is that heavy cream, chef?
That is heavy cream.
It's TOC, so I always kind of like go for it.
The first medium was using the ricer and then going to the Tammy. That's where she just gets the best mashed potato you'll find.
I've done enough TOC to know that gameplay matters. And when you see something on the board like whole chicken, that means giblets, it means liver. It's the whole chicken for a reason.
Chestnut
Gravy.
chicken liver gravy.
Yes, chef.
Got it?
Got it.
For me, peppery's not driving the bus. I don't want the dish to be overwhelmingly like peppered.
Toasting the peppers.
This needs to be sort of pepper adjacent. So using a little bit of like Korean pepper, using a little bit of Aleppo pepper, using black pepper, and then using actual physical peppers. Chop them, added some acidity to them.
A little bit of white balsamic, a little bit of red wine bin.
You know, when you eat fried chicken, you want a little bit of that relief.
We are in the final 10 minutes. 10 minutes to go.
You good, Alex?
My ice cream is butter. And I go to check my ice cream and it's like a little liquidy. Like I can't make a scoop for the sandwich, and I know it.
Okay. Okay.
The margins are so slim on TOC. The win can be by 1 point, it can be by a sliver.
Am I allowed to use the other ice cream machine? I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna lose this whole thing with this product. I go and grab orange juice and I mix corn syrup, water, sugar, The rest of the base I save creamsicle.
I think the ice cream might be loose. I think we're going for like more of a sherbety, sort of ice creamy creamsicle, if you will, which I think is actually a more identifiable use of the navel orange.
You good, Alex? Just made an orange creamsicle ice cream in the other ice cream machine. Okay, great. If it works, it works.
Pink peppercorn.
I buzzed the pink peppercorns in the blender, and then I just mixed it with a little sugar, and I'm thinking snow, pink peppercorns, Christmas.
Chef, the pink peppercorns, where have they gone?
Well, not yet, but black pepper's going in my chestnut caramel.
Understood.
And then pink peppercorns are gonna go on my sorbet if it ever happens.
Christmas is about believing what you see.
Fair enough.
3 minutes, 3 to go.
To plate, I start with a beautiful little mound of that sweet potato puree, and then I nestle the chicken right on top. I finish with a good amount of gravy.
Biggest concern for me is, did I do enough? Did I use the orange enough, right? Did I use the pepper enough? I know I put the chestnuts in there, but could I have done them another way?
Is this plate big enough to take out giants?
2 minutes, chef.
I feel like I really nailed the randomizer and nailed the challenge. The potato puree is like so luscious. Then all of a sudden the gravy sat down next to it, like fried chicken and a little peppered chow chow. This is great.
1 minute.
Chef, are you supreming?
I'm supremes.
I go get my caramel dip toasted bread, chestnut puree. I go get my sherbet out of the ice cream machine, and it's like passable.
Second ice cream. I made butter, so I pivoted and made creamsicle.
Chestnut caramel sauce.
30 seconds.
Put the pink peppercorn sugar on top of my sorbet. This? All of it. Use all of it.
It's red, it's green, it's gold. It looks like the holidays.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, for their final round, let's welcome back our judges, the one and only Chef Michelle Bernstein,
Michelle's awesome.
She's a technician.
Chef Ming Tsai,
He's tough. He's tough.
and Chef Curtis Stone.
Heavy hitters.
I love Curtis Jones.
Curtis is awesome. These are really good judges.
Great judges.
Now be nice.
Tonight, the randomizer served up for this final round a whole chicken, navel orange. Equipment was a toaster, peppery, and chestnuts. Here to present the first dish. Take it away, Chef Tiffany.
Judges, on the right, this is chestnut-coated crispy chicken. This is on a rustic puree of buttered chestnut and sweet potato. Green and black cardamom and the black pepper were toasted into a roux, creating the whole chicken gravy, because nothing says Christmas like a bundt cake. This bundt cake was constructed by first toasting orange zest and also buzzing out chestnuts. The cream was steeped in toaster roasted rosemary and a little bit of orange peel and pink peppercorn, then finished again with black pepper and fresh orange.
Did you breathe during any of that?
I didn't.
It's how I talk to my family at Christmas, and then I'm out.
I'm happy right now. This is fun. We have the chestnut, which makes a really great crunchy texture on this chicken. I'd love a little more pepper in this because I want to be like, right, with pepper.
There's pepper everywhere.
This is a crispy cake. It has that lovely orange flavor for the holidays. What a great southern treat.
That's right, Michelle. Thank you.
Bring it.
I look at this plate of food and instantly I think of the holidays, right? You've got the green, you've got the bright orange. I do get different hits of peppery note. As much as I appreciate the chestnut in the crumb, a little more would have been something.
Sure.
I can't believe they got this cake done in the amount of time that we gave them. The moistness of the cake is right there. I don't get a lot of pepper and I don't get a lot of orange.
What? That's good. No one's searching for the orange in your cake.
Both the dishes perfectly executed. Yes. The chicken, moist, super crunchy. I wish there were glazed chestnuts on the plate.
Agreed.
But again, perfectly cooked chicken and a perfectly baked dessert.
Let's go to the scorecards.
You knocked it out of the park.
Girl.
Thank you, but we still have to beat them.
All right, here to present the second team's dish is the one and only wild card, Justin Warner.
With Jack Frost nipping at my nose, I present the next round of dishes. First up, we have fried chicken with mashed potatoes and chestnut gravy. Off to the side is a sort of chow chow. You will see chilies, Fresnos, and serranos. All of those were toasted in the toaster.
No matter what the result, I'm proud of you.
Moving on to the sweet side, we have an orange and pink peppercorn ice cream sandwich with a chestnut caramel. You'll find the black pepper in the caramel as well. Delicious, right?
I love this gravy. Even though livers are so strong, you taste the chestnut because of that incorporation. I like how they toasted all those chilies, those peppers, and make a little relish. Peppery chicken dish. I want to be really spicy right now in my mouth, and it's not quite there.
We're happy about this.
Yes, it's. Remember this team. This is not your dish.
This dessert.
Loves it.
35 minutes, this chef, whoever you are, he or she, this is a delicious dessert. Orange, orange, orange. I love seeing supremes. I think this is a huge hit, this dessert.
You get it.
You did. For
I am impressed with this chestnut liver sauce. It's beautiful. I was just telling Ming on the way here that moving over to the pastry, it would have been nice to see them actually bake something. It could use a little bit more spike in citrus. And the pepper is fun, but I need a little bit more pepper.
There's literally a dusting of pink peppercorns all over the top. We're giving them a run for their money.
Yeah, 100%.
Fried chicken is not easy to get right. In fact, it's quite difficult. This is super crispy and it's perfectly juicy. Over here on the dessert side, if you're gonna call it an ice cream sandwich, you gotta eat like a sandwich. And it did. Of course, when something's frozen, it inhibits the flavor. And the same goes for orange, right? If you want this to be really orangey, you probably gotta reduce it down. But for the most part, it's absolutely delicious.
They're hard.
Yeah.
Fantastic, thank you, judges. Scorecards are in front of you.
I don't think we won.
Really?
No. And I think you better start to wrap your head around that.
I don't want to wrap my head around that. Can we just wait?
We can.
I think it's a lot closer than I thought it would be. You know what I mean?
Chefs, thank you very much. Michelle Bernstein, Ming Tsai, Curtis Stone, job well done.
I mean, we could.
I want to win it so bad, though.
It's time to tally up the scores and bring the chefs back in.
Chefs, scores are in, they're ready for you.
Thank you for doing this with me.
Thank you for
You were the best.
Okay.
Come on.
Big round of applause. Krista Ludke, Artie Sequeira, Alex Guarnaschelli, Antonio LaFaso. The scores are in from the judges, and here they are. One team scored a 40 out of 50 points in savory and a 39 out of 50 in sweet for a score of 79. The other team scored a 40 out of 50 in savory and a 39 out of 50. There was a tie.
First off, let's just hug it out here real quick.
So when we come to this type of tie, whichever team would have a higher taste score would win. There was a tie in the taste of sweet. Therefore, the deciding factor will be the score of taste in savory. I wish both teams best luck. The difference in savory was half of a point. The winner of the battle between Team Antonia and Alex versus Team Krista and Artie is... Antonia and Alex! You gotta say, it's not a win tonight, but that's about as photo finish as it can come.
Thank you.
We feel like we won.
Chef Krista, Chef Artie, great first round.
Go get him, guys.
Bye, everybody!